How to use Hubspot for lead generation. So go ahead and open your desktop browser, type in Hubspot on the site, and then click on the first result. So just a little background on the platform. HubSpot is a marketing, sales, and service software company that offers a suite of tools to help businesses attract, engage, and delight customers. In addition to its software offerings, HubSpot also provides a wealth of educational resources, including blog posts, webinars, and certification courses to help marketers and sales professionals improve their skills and stay updated on the trending industry trends. So once you are in the website, you can then sign up using either your Google account or Microsoft account. After your credentials are in, you just have to answer some survey questions. And here, just input your company name, the size or the number of your team, and then you have to enter a website link. So just make sure that you have a website. I'll just copy and paste the link here. HubSpot will basically give you a head start by setting up your smart CRM with basics like pipelines, report dashboards, custom views, and more. In this step, choose what suits your needs the best since the platform will base the template from your answers. So, in the next step, here are some sample contacts. You can add some of your own to manage public relations faster, just like this is like using the Excel spreadsheet. So if you have your contacts or whatever data in your Google Sheets, Google Docs, or whatever in the Google Suite, you can then sync on your Google account. If you click on this button, just give permission to Google and you can then choose the account where your data is located. Now just click on skip if you don't have current data on your Sheets or Google Docs, and this is how your homepage will look like. Now, for the lead generation, click on Marketing and then proceed to Forms. Click on Create Form. We will be utilizing the form to get some of their emails, contacts, so we can send an offer or introduction to our business. Here, you can choose the type of form that you want. Simply read the description of each option and then click on the one that you want and what you need the most. As for me, I will choose the pop-up one. Click on the next here on the upper right corner of the page and we will then be here on the editing page. First thing that we need to edit here is the call out. You can upload the featured photo from your device. You can edit the call out text for them to sign up and enter their email so they can be updated on the future emails. So for example, let's type in sign up for free step by step for beginners. The callout body is where we can add a short description of our offer. So for example, let's put earn per day, then download this guide. Beside, you can also see a preview of how your pop-up will look like. You can then change the text style, color, and the buttons here. And last, make sure to select form step. After all, click on next, and now we have to edit the form itself. This one is for the short description. This is where we can add the fields that the user need to provide. Right now, we only have email, but let's say we also need their contact number. So simply click on add another form field and you can then choose from here, or you can also customize the information that you specifically need. But as you can see, it will then be added to our window here. Next is the text on the button. So let's say we want it to be just basic like sign up now. So type that in and it will then reflect on your button. This one is important for permission purposes. The language and then your choice if you want to turn on CAPTCHA to make sure you're not talking or you're not getting robot information. After this is the thank you page, just edit these texts as well, and once you're done with your text, click on preview to check how your form looks like. As you can see, this is the image that we uploaded. These are the field that we will be asking for. This is the permission tab and then the confirmation button. And then last is the thank you screen. Now, once someone has signed up on your form, you can then see the list on the Contacts tab. This is the center of this platform. Everything else, every template, every tool, every email that will be sent is based solely on this contacts. So simply click on this one and you will then be directed into this page where you can see, add, edit, and filter your contacts. So in adding contacts, click on this create contact button and you will then need to input the email, the name. You will then be assigned as contact owner, their title job. You need to input as well their phone number, the life cycle stage, so either subscriber, lead, marketing, qualified lead, sales, and a lot more. And then the last is the lead status. Once you are done, just tap and create and it will then be added on your list. If you're planning to add multiple contacts, then click on create and then add another number so that you can have another empty contact form to fill in. Here on the toolbar, you can edit some filler options. This will be helpful especially if you have a big list of contacts already. Let's say you want to filter based on the activity, so just choose here and it will then be filtered. You can also use the advanced one to add some filter settings. Now, if you want to see additional information on your contacts, hover your mouse to them and then click on preview. A tab will show on the right of the screen and you can then basically see everything from here. If you want a more expanded one, hover again to their name and then click on it to open their detail page. As you can see here, you can create a note for this specific contact. You can send them an email, call, assign a task, meet, and you can basically see every activity, every deals, everything in this page. One of the most useful features in this platform is the attachment tab. So if you ever emailed an attachment to the specific contact, you can click on this arrowhead and every attachment in your email conversation or email thread will be then shown here, making it easy to track and store files. Now go back again. If you have data on a spreadsheet or previous CRM, you can then click on import and you can then import the contacts in this platform. Now moving on to companies. This has a very similar page to the contacts. I don't have any company data saved in here, but basically you will see their company name, owner, the date it was created, their phone number, and the last activity. So just like the contacts tab, you can expand every company by clicking on them. So that is how to use HubSpot for lead generation. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.